Hey guys, welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today I've got a special car for you, but before we get to that, I want to tell you to go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're all the time coming out with really cool and unique car content with all the cars that we get here at Collectible Motorcar. So with that being said, let me go ahead and talk a little bit about this special one I got here. It's a 1970 Chevelle SS, forest green with white stripes, true cowl hood. Got the hood pins here. You've got the SS Cragar wheels. Beautiful chrome bumpers. Guys, this car is fantastic. The paint and body on this car is beautiful. It is literally laser straight, and I don't use that term a lot in this industry because you have to be very careful with that, but this car is near perfect, and I mean that, guys. This car is absolutely beautiful, and I just hope that the camera can point that out. The paint is literally looks wet. It looks like they just sprayed the car. But we'll work our way up front here. You got nice, clean chrome bumpers. You got your SS grille here. Your headlights are in great condition. You know, the 70 Chevelle is notorious for the two headlights up front here and the big block that's under the hood as well. As we see the fenders here, the fenders are in great condition. I love this forest green paint with that metallic flake in there. It's just absolutely beautiful. You've got great fender trim here that's in great condition. Your Cragars are in great condition as well. You got some BF Goodwrench tires there. Check out your gaps here for your doors. Nice and even all the way down. That's what we like to see here at Collectible. We only want the best. All your trim here around the windows in great condition. Your glass is in great condition. I don't see any chips or nicks or anything like that. So we work our way down the door here. As I look down the side of this door, it's literally straight, and you can see the body lines perfectly. Overall, just an absolute beautiful car. Once again, we'll check the gaps here, nice and even all the way down. Door sits flush here, absolutely beautiful. You got your window here, great condition. All your trim here is in great condition. Your rear quarter here, this is a big piece of metal, so this is a magnet for dents and getting little stuff like that, and there's not one dent on this car. It is just perfect right here on the rear quarter here. Awesome condition. As we work our way around the back here, you got the nice big chrome bumper here with your two dual exhaust tips coming out back. One thing that I always check on an SS car is I always run my hand over the stripes here. If you can feel the stripe through the paint, then you know that there's not a ton of clear coat, but this one can't even feel the stripes. So it's got a lot of clear coat on it, and that's what really gives it that really glossy shine. Guys, this car is absolutely beautiful. If you guys are interested in this car, you better call now because it will not last long. These cars are super hot. They're the king of the muscle cars, and they are extremely popular. But with that being said, let's go ahead and check out the beast under the hood. All right, guys, take a look at this beast of an engine. It's a 496, and basically what it was done is it was a 454 originally that was bored and stroked to a 496. You've got an aluminum Elderbrock intake. You've got a Proform 850 CFM carburetor, really, really cool carburetor. You've also got a serpentine belt system that's been upgraded on here as well, aluminum GM performance heads, and ceramic coated long tube headers. Guys, this motor is absolutely fantastic. It's a lot of horsepower, but other than that, the engine bay is nice and clean under here. You do have power disc brakes, and one other thing that I meant to mention up front, you do have Wilwood four piston brakes. But guys, overall, just a super, super nice car here, and absolutely beautiful, and this thing will run. It has a lot of power. I would say somewhere around 550 to 600 to the wheel. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and check out this beautiful green interior. All right, check out the interior of this beautiful Chevelle. I really like the green on green. To me, I think it's really cool. The dash is in great condition. Your center piece here with your radio and your climate control is how it was from the factory. You've got the factory SS gauges here. They're round. The tach is in the proper location. Even your clock is working. You do have tilt wheel here, which is really good to get that right position that you want when you're driving. You do have your auxiliary gauges down here for your oil pressure and your water temp, which is big. You need to definitely know those. Your center console has the famous horseshoe shifter here. Your carpet is in excellent condition. You do have some Chevelle SS floor mats. Guys, this car is just so nice from top to bottom. It's been rotisserie done. This car is just absolutely beautiful. Everything works as it should. It's in beautiful condition. Your seats are even excellent condition. They're nice and plush. They're soft. Your headliner's in great condition. Even your dome light is working. Guys, there's no excuses on this car. This car in my book is a 10 out of 10. It's absolutely beautiful and fantastic. And guys, it drives even better than it looked. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take this one out for a drive. All right, guys, we're out in the 1970 Chevelle, and let me tell you, this thing is a great driver car, guys. You can cruise it just like this and go to the car shows and have a good time, but when you got a Mustang or something pulling up next to you, you can put it to the floor and show them what's up. Yeah, man, God, this thing feels good. This thing has got some power, guys. This thing is really amazing. But I want to try something new this video. I want to put you guys in the driver's seat. So with that being said, let's go ahead and put you there. All right, guys, we now got the GoPro on. We want to try this new angle out for you guys so you guys can see what it's like actually being behind the driver's seat. As you can see, your RPM's working, your miles per hour's working, even your clock's working. We have good temps, good oil pressure. Everything is good on this car. And this way, when I say one drive straight, I can prove it by letting the hand off the steering wheel and then showing you that the car does drive straight. But guys, overall, this is an awesome car. As you can see, the interior is amazing on it. Just a really, really cool car. Make sure I'm good over here. We'll go ahead and get on at one time with you guys in the driver's seat. Woo, man, every time I punch this thing, man, it gets me excited. This thing is an absolute beast, guys, but at the same time, like I was telling you, when you just want to cruise it, you can cruise it, but when you need that extra power, you can just mat it to the floor and it does what you need every time. This is just an awesome built car. Not only is the quality really good as far as the paint and the build quality, but the interior is great, the drive is really good, the car sounds really good. But guys, overall, this is just a really amazing car. And if you guys are interested in this thing, you need to give us a call because we don't see this one lasting very long. But this is just a super cool car. Just wanted to show you a few functions. Your horn does work. Your wipers do work. So you guys that have to go through inspection, like you guys in Missouri or Texas, that you guys have to take them through inspection, we do all the checklist on these cars to make sure turn signals, brake lights, wipers, horn, everything works on the car. So when you get this car, you know that you're getting a car that is in full operating condition and will pass all those safety inspections that you guys have to go through in your home states. But guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and get this one back to the shop and put it up on the lift, and we'll check out the bottom side of this car. It's absolutely beautiful under the bottom side, just like the rest of the car. But guys, we'll catch you at the shop. Okay, guys, we're back at the shop here. Got the Chevelle up on the lift. Take a look at how pretty this is. Look at your frames all painted. You got your sway bar here, which is part of the SS package. Take a look at all your steering components and your suspension. Everything's in excellent condition, guys. You've got your Chevy orange oil pan here. You've got your built TH400 transmission, long tube headers, the 3-inch exhaust pipes here. Absolutely beautiful. Take a look at your floor pans here, all painted in like a semi-gloss black. Absolutely beautiful. You've got your upgraded fuel system here as well. You've got some really nice Flowmaster mufflers. You just can't beat Flowmaster on a big block. It just has an awesome sound, as you guys can tell when we were driving it. You've got your boxed control arms. You got your sway bar back here in the back, as well as a 12-bolt rear, which comes with the SS. Nice fuel tank. Overall, guys, everything underneath here looks amazing. I can't really point out any flaws. It's just an overall beautiful car, guys. Absolutely beautiful. These are the type of cars that we strive to get every day here at Collectible Motorcar. If you'd like to see all the pictures we have on this car, please go to our website at collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com, or you can give us a call at 770-738-7111, and we can give you guys a talk about the car, and we can handle all the shipping and financing, everything you need to get this car in your driveway, and it is completely hassle-free. Me and my partner will take care of everything for you. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next one.